Let's cut across to those visuals coming in from Kolkata, where Mamata Banerjee is leading a huge protest rally against the Enforcement Directorate. These are pictures coming in live from Kolkata, and this a day after the showdown between Mamata Banerjee and Enforcement Directorate. The Trinamool Congress chief, viewers, had announced the protest rally against the Central Investigation Agency's searches. And Mamata Banerjee claims that the searches were an attempt to quote-unquote loot her party documents ahead of the assembly elections in West Bengal later this year. And this particular protest rally we're speaking about has been taken out from Jadavpur 8B bus stand, and it will head towards Hazra crossing. The Chief Minister has urged people to join her in this protest, a protest rally that stretches across 5 kilometers. And to just give you a bit of context, viewers, yesterday, earlier in the day, Enforcement Directorate raided multiple locations, not just in Kolkata, but across Delhi as well. But in Kolkata, it was Mamata Banerjee who was consumed by fear, and she immediately, without wasting any time, upon receiving information that Enforcement Directorate had raided Pratik Jain's residence and also the IPAC office, immediately went there with the West Bengal DGP as well as the Kolkata Police Commissioner. And once she went there, the green color file that you can see on the right side of your screens, that is the set of files that Mamata Banerjee stole from the Enforcement Directorate's custody. The Enforcement Directorate was probing an alleged coal scam and also money laundering angle, and they had arrived at the IPAC office yesterday to investigate a PMLA case. But Mamata Banerjee made it all about her party, because what she claimed was theft of data related to her poll strategy, her party's poll strategy, candidates list, voters list, and everything she spoke about. It seemed like the Enforcement Directorate was raiding a TMC leader, but in reality, the Enforcement Directorate was hot on money trail in an alleged coal scam. And those were the documents that the Enforcement Directorate was hunting for. And in the midst of the investigation, viewers, it was Mamata Banerjee who swooped in and made away with the files, crucial files. And according to the petition that the Enforcement Directorate has filed, Mamata Banerjee allegedly took away crucial digital evidence as well, crucial documents, crucial electronic evidence from the IPAC linked premises during yesterday's ED raid. And she has also alleged that it contained information about her political party. But according to reports, viewers, IPAC has been working with TMC post the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, and the Enforcement Directorate on its part said the searches were carried out as part of investigation in connection with a money laundering case registered 6 years back in 2020 against a businessman, Anup Maji, who was facing charges of coal smuggling. And the Enforcement Directorate has also clearly stated that a coal smuggling syndicate led by Maji used to steal and illegally excavate coal from ECL leasehold areas of West Bengal and then sell it at various factories, plants in the state. ED also alleged that a large part of this coal was sold to Shakambari group of companies. But Mamata Banerjee yesterday made it all about her party, because she claimed that this was nothing but political vendetta. And in continuation to her yesterday's protest against the Enforcement Directorate, against the centre, today, what you can see on your screens is a huge rally that Mamata Banerjee has taken out, protesting against Enforcement Directorate's raids in Kolkata yesterday. And this is a 5-kilometer rally that we are talking about, which Mamata Banerjee is leading from Jadavpur 8B bus stand to Hazra crossing. And the Chief Minister has urged people from all walks of life to take part in this over 5-kilometer long rally that she is now leading. This is a mega demonstration that we are seeing. This is in continuation with the intense showdown that we witnessed yesterday at the IPAC office, at Pratik Jain's residence as well. Pratik Jain is the co-founder of IPAC and operates for Mamata Banerjee's TMC as far as election strategy is concerned, social media, of the TMC is concerned, everything is managed by IPAC. So Mamata Banerjee, consumed by fear, she went to the IPAC office, and when Enforcement Directorate was going through files, she claimed that the Enforcement Directorate copied all the data related to her party from the IPAC systems to a hard drive. And according to the Enforcement Directorate, Mamata Banerjee has taken away electronic evidence. This is exactly what the Enforcement Directorate said when it moved the Kolkata High Court. The Enforcement Directorate, in a plea before the Calcutta High Court, has sought a CBI probe against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who stormed into the premises of the political consultancy firm IPAC and the residence of its co-founder Pratik Jain, where the Enforcement Directorate was carrying out searches in connection with a money laundering case. And the Enforcement Directorate never mentioned anything about TMC. There is no TMC angle as far as Enforcement Directorate is concerned, and they believe that money laundering, suspected money laundering took place, and they were searching premises and all assets linked to this particular case that was filed in 2020, a coal smuggling case involving a man named Anup Maji. But Mamata Banerjee was rattled. Mamata Banerjee thought the Enforcement Directorate was there to steal all files related to TMC. We have Sabyasachi also joining us live on this broadcast. Sabyasachi, Mamata Banerjee is leading a huge protest rally, a 5-kilometer long rally, and she is continuing her protest against ED. Tell us more, Sabyasachi.
Well, that's right. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been leading the protest as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned from yesterday itself. Mamata Banerjee is now participating in a mega rally from Jadavpur 8B bus stand to Hazra More. Now, several Trinamool Congress leaders have participated in this mega rally along with Trinamool Congress Karyakartas, and the local people also have joined. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in fact, she had condemned the raids that were conducted by the Enforcement Directorate. In fact, Mamata Banerjee had condemned it as shameful and unacceptable treatment of the power. In fact, today also in the National Capital, 8 Member of Parliament from the Trinamool Congress who carried out a protest in front of the Kartavya Bhavan, which is the office of Home Minister Amit Shah. They were in fact detained by the Delhi police, and now Mamata Banerjee walking along with the leaders of Trinamool Congress from the 8B bus stand in Jadavpur to the Hazra More. And the call for the protest, in fact, Deepak, was given yesterday itself because for hours Mamata Banerjee had stationed herself at the IPAC office where the raids was going on, and we've been seeing how things have escalated. Today also the matter was supposed to be heard at the Calcutta High Court, but inside the courtroom also there was complete chaos between both the parties, and that resulted the judge to be miffed, and she adjourned the next hearing to 14th of Jan. So clearly matters will escalate because till now, Deepak, around 3 FIRs has been filed against the Enforcement Directorate. 2 FIRs in which Mamata Banerjee has complained against the ED officials. That complaint has been converted into FIR, and 1 complaint the police has taken suo motu cognizance and registered FIR against the ED officials. So clearly, Deepak, with the coming days, we are only going to see how things will get escalated between the Trinamool Congress and the Enforcement Directorate.